Scene script. Imagine this. Every person on Earth, all 7.8 billion of us, jumping up at the exact same moment. What would happen? Would the Earth move out of its orbit or cause a catastrophic earthquake? Today, we delve into this fascinating thought experiment and explore the physics behind it. First, let's talk about the force. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, according to Newton's third law of motion. So, when we push down on the Earth to jump, the Earth pushes back with an equal amount of force. With 7.8 billion people jumping, we can calculate the collective force. Assuming an average weight of 60 kilograms per person and an average jump height of half a meter, the total force exerted by humanity would be approximately 460 billion newtons. That sounds like a lot, but compared to the mass of the Earth, which is nearly 6 sextillion kilograms, it's a mere drop in the ocean. How does this compare to an earthquake? Earthquakes release energy measured on the Richter scale. A magnitude 8 earthquake, for example, releases energy equivalent to 600 million times the total force of our collective jump. So if everyone on Earth jumped at once, it wouldn't even register as a minor tremor on the Richter scale. But would there be a noticeable effect? The Earth would move, but by less than the width of an atom, and it would quickly return to its original position due to gravity and its angular momentum. So, no catastrophic earthquakes or tsunamis. However, there could be some localized effects. If everyone jumped in the same place, for instance, it could potentially cause a small seismic event, and the landing could generate a loud noise equivalent to a concert or loud traffic. To recap, if everyone on Earth jumped at the same time, the collective force would be substantial, but not enough to significantly affect the Earth. It wouldn't compare to the force of a major earthquake, and would not cause tsunamis or other large-scale disasters, but it might produce a small seismic event and a loud noise depending on where everyone jumped. So, while it's a fun thought experiment, there's no need to worry about the world ending if we all decide to jump at the same time. It's a testament to the enormity of our planet and the laws of physics that keep everything in balance. It truly puts into perspective how small we are in the grand scheme of things.